Get ready to be amazed because this you seriously need. See, this is officially taking over the internet. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it is super lightweight and durable. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes Psy so unique compared to ordinary items is that it handles heavy usage without any issues. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly the best investment you can make for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before it's completely gone. Get ready to be amazed.